Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of class 11th arithmetic progression of type applications of arithmetic progressions. 8th type. I have mentioned certain types in the previous video, right? So this is 8th type guys. We'll discuss applications of arithmetic progressions, certain sums. So second sum. So a man saved 66,000 rupees in 20 years. In each succeeding year, after the first year, he saved rupees 32 more than what he saved in the previous year. How much did he save in the first year? So that is given. So first I don't know what is given in the question. A man saved 66,000 in 20 years. So that is n equal to 20 and s20 is equal to 66,000. Okay, and every year he saved 200 rupees more than the previous year. Okay, therefore d equal to 200 guys. Okay, how much did he save in the first year? That is a value. So based on Sn value, Sn formula, we can able to find the sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So where n equal to 20, substitute the values. S20 equal to 20 by 2 into 2a plus 20 minus 1 into 200. We need to find the value of a here. So 66,000 equal to 10 into 2a plus 90 into 200. Okay, sending 10 to LHS and simplifying, we get 6600 minus 3800 equal to 2a. I am sending 3800 to LHS side, it become minus. Therefore, we get 2800 equal to 2a. Therefore, a equal to 1400 guys. So, in the first year, he saved 1400 rupees. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Please subscribe to my channel and comment me in the comment section if you are getting any doubt. Thank you for watching.